Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure employer reimbursement in ADP for tax compliance, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring employer reimbursement in ADP for tax compliance, access your ADP account. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the payroll section in the main dashboard. Look for the reimbursement management option within this section. Click on Add Reimbursement. Select the type of reimbursement you need to configure. Enter a unique name for the reimbursement type. Specify the taxability of the reimbursement. Choose whether the reimbursement is taxable or non-taxable. Add any necessary guidelines for reimbursements in the description field. Set the effective date for this reimbursement type. Define the maximum reimbursement amount allowed. Indicate if the reimbursement is eligible for direct deposit. If required, include additional comments or instructions for employees. Review all details to ensure accuracy and compliance with tax regulations. Click on Save to finalize the setup. Test the reimbursement feature by running a sample payroll. Verify that the reimbursement is processed correctly. Ensure that the tax withholdings are applied according to the settings. Regularly review reimbursement transactions for compliance. Stay informed on any changes in tax laws that may impact reimbursements. By following these steps, you will effectively configure employer reimbursement in ADP for tax compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.